Hello, I'm Philip and welcome back to My Masterbuilt 800. Today we're going to take another stab at doing the chicken wings in the rotisserie basket. Last time they came out okay, not great, but okay. I think I had the temperature too high. I had it running at 400. So today I'm going to do 300. And also I ran out of fuel, and that's not going to happen today. I've got plenty in there. So like last time, I think I've got maybe 5 chicken wings in here. I've coated with Dirty Bird from Cosmos Q. And actually I was going to do this yesterday, but things kind of got put off just a bit. And that is what looks like 4 wings. Yeah, 4 wings. So that'll be good for just me. Sorry, neighbors. And just because I love these little peppers so much, I'm going to put them in there. I don't expect them to do anything for the chicken, or the chicken to do much for them, but they'll get cooked, and I love them. So let's get this thing clamped in. I might have to look at getting another kind of basket. There's some things about this I'm finding I don't really like. The main one being when you take this lid off, it's difficult to get food out of the bottom because it has these 2 paddles, I guess, to keep the food tumbling. But that's for another time. So I'm going to put these on the grill. And you've seen that a bunch of times, so we're not going to show that. But next time you're with me, we'll be out there checking on them. I'm going to let them go maybe a half hour, take a look. Again, this is all just playing by ear, so stay tuned with me. Okay, it's been about a half hour now. Let's see how it's looking. Well, it's looking very nice indeed. I'm gonna probe it, see what the internal temperature is. Oh, we're doing 169 in the I think that is just about ready. The internal temperature is right on up there. I'm going to let them go maybe another 10 minutes. So we'll be back inside. Okay, we're back. But before we really get started here, I want you to take a look at these. Man, they look good. When I left, I turned the temperature up to 400 for that last 10 minutes. It had never reached 400. I think it got 375 in that time. But they are looking some kind of purty. So yes, they are looking good indeed. But like people, it really doesn't matter if they're purty. It's how good are they. Let's find out. I'm going to take one of these flats. It looks great. Beautiful color. Nice aroma. Oh. The juice is dripping out. That is so good. So good. Well, I don't want to brag, but I think we nailed this puppy. What did I say, 300? Yeah. Dang, I done forgot. One of the drawbacks of getting older. It was. Maybe it was 350. When I edit this, I'll put up a little sign saying what the temperature was. Y'all go along with it. This has been fun. This is definitely a do again. Sauce them, don't sauce them, ever how you like it. And remember, I don't need no stinking badge.